Secretary D. Raja assures CPI will lead fights against disintegration of Manipur. MDA urges state government to demand centre a written assurance stating that Manipur's territorial integrity will be intact. The Golden MLA RK Imo urges state leaders to stop playing blame games and to strive to protect Manipur. A very good evening to you all. I'm Colonel Sambandram presenting you the primetime English news. Now let's begin our bulletin with the top stories of today. National General Secretary of Communist Party of India, CPI, D. Raja has assured that CPI will lead in fight against disintegration of Manipur. He was speaking at a public grievances meet on Naga Peace Accord organized by CPI Manipur State Council at Kuki Ind in Imphal today. Former Rajya Sabha MP D. Raja condemned that the central government has kept the content of the Naga Peace Accord hidden from the public till now. He maintained that CPI will fight tooth and nail if the final settlement of Naga Peace Accord ever harmed the territorial integrity of Manipur. Various slogans were also chanted during the meet.
At the cost of Manipur's territorial unity and integrity, nothing should be done in the name of Naga Accord. We won, Mr. Modi and Shah, and our party will keep fighting and mobilizing the people for their justice. We are fighting for justice. And our party will do that and will continue to fight. So people of Manipur should be confident. And there are political forces, there are people who believe in justice, who believe in truth. They are on your side and they will be on your side, and you will succeed to safeguard the unity, integrity of your state.
Naga Accord ko apam silang matamda. Thingnabam thokpa, nainabam thokpa kaya lainapchu. Ngasi baudadi Modi na natraga Amit Shah na natraga RN Rabina moina kari tawdori kari tawrubage karai bawu yanarabage porsi kanam ta da haidok ta pot aduna masana tana aikoi gi chingnabam si lai marmadra koi communist party na thengna jariba Manipur gi praja na thengnari bi praja gi lanne Manipur se nangi BJP gi natti Amit Shah gi natti Modi gi natti. The land belongs to the people.
Manipur Democratic Alliance MDA has urged the state government to pressure the central government to give a written assurance that the territorial integrity of Manipur will not be harmed by the final agreement of Naga peace talks. MDA has also appealed to all the 60 state MLAs to visit Delhi and strive to fulfill the people's demand. Speaking to media at Shiv Sena Manipur State Unit office in Babupara today, President of Shiv Sena Manipur State Unit cum MDA convener M. Chombi asserted that the people of the state are still apprehensive about threat to the state's boundary despite the centre's assurance, reminding that 18 brave hearts lost their lives over the infamous 2001 Bangkok declarations signed between the Indian government and NSCN-IM, which lead to ceasefire extension in the state. M. Tombi demanded the centre to give a written assurance to ease the people's apprehension. MDA also appealed to organizations and associations of the state not to cause any inconveniences for the upcoming annual Sangai Festival organized by the state government to boost tourism.
Akoigi Leriba, Manipur territorial integrity, Akoigi political administration, Miamna, Signari Punam, Amata Yaugde, Amata Yawalo Havasi, Hanjan Hairagasu. Hujik Leriba trainer city, Miamgi Tazaba say, Sama the Sama Tazaba later Badona, Miamgi Hosi Consider Posina, Ton Ningdaba Tabak Tolaktana, Mayolang Bok Tolaktana, Low and order Pasal Latana, Mazudagi, Akoigi Leriba, Akoigi Miamasi. Awabagi Matata Awabo with the Nanaba, Tazabayaba, written insurance Sama, Bibi Nanaba, Manipur Democratic Alliance na, through the state government, written insurance Sama, no should demand of you.
A simply is in Manipur, Miyam in Hutchilga, Labor platform, Maduki Wariptana, Manipur, Mayam, Apam, but I do have to Punduka. Peace talks the Manipur Solpiaba, any whatever Sakan Ropatamda, ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯁꯦꯝꯕ꯭ꯂꯤꯅ ꯂꯧꯕ ꯋꯥꯔꯦꯞꯇꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯚꯥꯔꯠ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯅ ꯑꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯦꯞ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗꯁꯨ ꯔꯤꯐꯔꯦꯟꯁ ꯂꯧꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨꯅꯤ
Sagolban MLA R.K. Imo has urged the state leaders to stop playing blame games and to take measures against impending threat to territorial integrity of Manipur with the arrival of the Naga peace talks. Taking part in the alert meet staged jointly by SYDA Club and Sagolban Constituency Progressive Committee at Ibudau Kamlangba, Laibung near Moirang, Lerak Machin today. MLA Imo objected to any changes in territory or administration of Manipur by the finalization of the peace talks. He stressed the need to implement Manipur Land Reforms Act to bring equal development in both hills and valley regions of the state. MLA Imo called upon all the civil society organizations of the state and the 60 state MLAs to join efforts in finding out the content of the final agreement and to take firm decisions to protect Manipur by keeping aside any differences.
अखोई पुला पुंजमिनसी पुल्लगा अखोइना पामेबो पोचे सिनी हाइबदो अखोई पांगथोकपा मा दरकार ताई वेदर अखोई गवर्नमेंट सिदा लैरिबा चुमी उजे हाइबा सरकार लैरिबसिना दायित्व हेना पुबिबा मा दरकार ताई यदि मोइना कोनजमिनानबा होनाबा दरकार ताई लैरिबा सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट अखोई म्याम चंगना तक्सनमिनारगा असिदा लैरिबा अखोइगी एप्रीहेंशन सिंगसे अखोई पुथोकबियु अखोई ममांगदा थंबियु अखोइगा तानबियु हाना पांगथोरक्तरि मांगदा होपफुली सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट सु अदु तौबिरकनी हाइबगी थाजाबसे अखोइदा लैरिबनी तौगदबो अखोइ स्टेट की यूनिट सिंगसिना अखोइ अमतोइना पुनबा दरकार ताई पुंजन मिनरा कांदनी ngasi पांगथोकिदुसे अदुना डिफरेंट पॉलिटिकल पार्टी सिदसु अइगी साइडगी अपील नैना तौजनिंगिसे मसी अमगा अमगोजि ब्लेम गेम तौनबा मतम नते लेट्स ऑल कंसल्ट टुगेदर at under one platform aduga haiba platform sida changjan minaba daka tai akhoi pulap
Members of Union of Social Upliftment, a conglomerate of 25 local clubs of Imphal East, also staged alert protest meet at Kurai Lamlong under the banner of Kokomi today. Members of Lamlong Kaithel Nupilup, Kurai Meirapaibi, Leadership Council of Thangta, UFO Kurai and students of various educational institutions of Kurai took part in the protest. Imphal East District Police were on strict vigil during the protest to avoid untoward incidents.
ngasi miyamna lauriba khoigi kanagi mayokda laurina khoi naurse ai khoi bu divide in rule sanariba adu India government ki mayok amsu Manipur ki lenga ki mayok tane haje batara madu khoina mamang di hek khoina Manipur na 1949 de ki Manipur na India de hek tin gi bu mikup de ki khoi Manipur miyamna laujaba mayam khulaw singse ngasi bokda harau no moi tawbirak ba gari yawru gisin sia khoi na mo thajaningai oiribresini ngarang nan tar kunthra ga ma thoida inagi bu pose inadingi mamang da khoi na madu de kari कंटेंट यावगदगे हाइसे हाइबी ओबसो हाइदेबा सुमाइना हाइदना लाकपनिना अखोइ गया याम थाजगदोरिबनो होम मिनिस्टर हाइबोसनो प्राइम मिनिस्टर ओइबना हाइबोसनो अदुगा अखोइ थाजनगे हाइबतारगदि इन रिटर्न ओइना सिबुकदे लेरि हाइ थादोकबिरो.
Extending solidarity to Kokomi against disintegration of Manipur by the final settlement of Naga peace talks, students of Imphal Public School and Temple of Learning School, along with members of Apunba Irepaki Mahairoi Shingpanglup AIMS, carried out protest demonstrations at the Kanchipur area today. The protesters chanted various slogans demanding to keep the state's territorial integrity intact. Various placards were also displayed at the protest. Speaking on the sideline, AIMS Vice President S. Premchand urged the state government to convene a special assembly session and submit a firm resolution for protection of Manipur's territorial integrity to the central government without further delay. He also demanded the government to disclose the final agreement of the peace talks to the public at the earliest.
72 Kings Pan graba Manipur gi damakta integrity gi damakta karimta ngasi wauda step amta lokhata ba haibse yamna laibak thibani haina khoina thamjari loina na hoji Kokomi na so hana thamkiba leire yamna athu matamda assembly session kauduna khoi gi warep chapchaba integrity kaiba yaroi haiba warep lawgadabani loina na khoi gi central government da chatuna kana taksan gadabani khoi ngasi saklak liba maisi Manipur government na khoi gi central government da matam sana thammakanda khoi gi central government na su chiumba indigenous people sing na yamna nungaina leijaba furup kangluk kayan kunda leita duna leimineriba suma Manipur gi integrity sok pa yaro kaigumba Manipur gi integrity solak pa taragadi Manipur da leiriba khoi gi indigenous people singna siba ki dana thawai thadok pa ki dana khoi gi sidagi hena akan ba agitation kya changjal kani haibse thamjari.
Students of International Modernized Academy IMA in Palace Compound also carried out human chant protest from Palace Compound till Nongmeibung Road against disintegration of Manipur by final outcome of Naga peace talks today. The students' protesters chanted various slogans demanding to save the territorial integrity of the state. Mayrapaibis of Hairikagok Makong in Infal East also staged alert protest meet in solidarity to Kokumi. Members of Lambal Apunban Nupiluf also staged alert protest meet at Lambal Makhaleka in Infal West in solidarity to Kokumi today. Taking part in the protest, one Mayrapaibis leaders urged the state government to call an emergency assembly session to take a firm stand to protect Manipur. People of Jiribam district tried to storm the local MLA Asab Uddin's residence at Sonapur against disintegration of Manipur today. Police managed to prevent the protesters from reaching the MLA's residence. Later, MLA Asabuddin came out at the nearby community hall and assured to join the people's movement for the protections of Manipur's territorial integrity. Shopkeepers of Kakching Lamkai also staged alert protest meet extending solidarity to Kokumi today. Kakching Lamkai Bazaar Welfare Board and joint non-government voluntary organization Kakching organized the protest. Speaking to media, protesters urged the 60 state MLAs to act as per people's desire and not to create another June 18th incident. Patriotic Writer Forum, the PWF Manipur, organized a writers' convention at the hold of Manipur Dramatic Union at Yashkul today. President of Manipur Sahitya Parisad Infalt, Professor I.S. Kangjam, Member General Council of Sahitya Academy, New Delhi, Professor Jolchandra Sanasamt, PWF Manipur, President Yashkul Kwarakpund and Sahitya Academy awardee Saratchand Thiam graced the event. Giving his keynote address, PWF Manipur General Secretary Rakesh Naram stated that the event aims to stress on the role of writers in protecting the territorial integrity of Manipur. Representatives of over 32 organizations, including those from Jiri, took part in the event.
Manipur Miyamda, Karakana, Satarliba, Tomasi, Yaning Pagolina, Mari Lenaba, United Nations, Tokusin Yana, India Lenga Amadi, Manipur Lenga Chimbasimda, Aibasim Sabsaba, Fidep, Kanganabigi, Tangai Pedavat, Anzado, Laple, Madam Sina, I call you Ava Simshu, Iramdam Siki, Nonkinga Abamadi, upon Magi Satanga Navada, Punna, Atsepa Pidep, Amagalina, Todang Yaminashi.
Kuki NP Manipur Vice President Somintang Dongil has asserted that Naga of Manipur, including Kuki's ancestral land in their demand for Nagaland. He was speaking at a press meet held today at Tuibong in Churachandpur. He asserted that the Kukis have proper documents for the lands they inhabited. Somintang maintained that Kukis will oppose tooth and nail against encroachment in the domain of their forefathers' hunting ground. He said Kukis fought the British imperialists to safeguard their land for 3 years. The Kuki NP Manipur Vice President also said that the Kuki demand territorial council which will not impede other states. Hence, autonomy of a Kuki is reasonable, whereas Naga's demand will break off the state. Unknown miscreants exploded a bomb at the office of Bharatiya Infra Project Limited open at Langtabal Lab Awang Lekai in Imphal West today. There is no report of any casualty. Impact News sources say that the incident occurred at 5:04 this morning. The explosive was planted inside a fish tent. The office is located at the residence of Managing Director of Bharatiya Infra Project Limited, 49-year-old Ningombam Ibo Choba, son of N. Navakumar. As per CCTV footage, a man wearing a helmet dropped the bomb this morning at around 4 a.m. Sinjimai Police Station has registered a case and investigations are underway. National Investigation Agency NIA team has taken the chairman of a proscribed group, United National Liberation Front UNLF, RK Meghand alias Sanayama, to New Delhi at around 11 a.m. today. Impact News sources say that Meghand's son RK Chingland and his advocate Gunadhor accompanied him. It may be mentioned that Meghand was released from Guwahati Central Jail last November 9 as his prison term of 10 years was shortened. NIA has been investigating the UNLF leader after his arrest from Bangladesh in 2010. Well, now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on inaugural of a new liquid deodorant production unit of MIDC Enterprises at Dockyard. Welcome back after the break. You are watching Primetime English News. Former Commissioner of Art and Culture, retired IAS, Dr. R.K. Nimai, inaugurated a new liquid deodorant production unit of MIDC Enterprises at Takil Industrial Estate, Type C18 today. MIDC manufactures various home care products such as phenyls, dishwash and oil perfumes. Speaking at the event, Dr. R.K. Nimai urged people to start working from state level while establishing an industry and strive to bring it to the international level. He stressed the need to conduct a market survey before opening an industry. Senior Principal Scientist of CSIR NEIST, Lamphilpat, Dr. Huidrom Veer Kumar, called upon people of the state to grow citronella grass or lemongrass to produce medicines and other basic family necessities to boost income.
Industry market survey quite important. Sarkar so startup there is a market survey over very few. I give for that specifically you would really and high very few because startup city was one of the meetings movies is startup actual startup to be boom. I think the MSME category maybe startup to be innovation market over.
Oath-taking ceremony of the newly recruited 139 firemen of Manipur Fire Service 2018-2019 batch was held at Manipur Fire Service headquarters today. Director of Manipur Fire Service IPS Thamting Ngasangba and Division Officer of Manipur Fire Service L. Nabachandra graced the event. IPS Thamting Ngasangba presented certificate and trophies to the 9th batch trainee firemen on the occasion. He also gave the recruiters their new posting places and ordered to join their posting starting today, considering the prevailing issues in the state and lack of adequate manpower in various fire stations. Green Biotech Solutions of Manipur was accorded the National Entrepreneurship Award 2019. Skills Development and Entrepreneurship Minister Mahendra Nath Pandey presented the award to Green Biotech Solutions Director Gita Shori Yumnand and Co-Director Dr. Aseem Sundari in the award ceremony held at the Pravasu Bharatiya Kendra, Dr. Josie P. Rizald Marg in Delhi on November 9th. The award was given for agriculture, food processing and forestry under A2 category of Enterprise Award track. Renowned Manipuri fashion designer Maxwell Yanggoijam showcased his collection at the Northeast Festival fashion show held at Indira Gandhi National Center for the Arts IGNCA in Janpath, New Delhi yesterday. Renowned Manipuri actress Soma Laishram was the showstoppers of the event. Famous Manipuri models including Rakesh Longmaithem, Rohit Konthaujam and Marcia Sijigurumayum also took part in the event. It may be mentioned that Maxwell Yanggoijam is also the owner of Manipur's leading fashion house, Khanganba. JCI Snok Koijam from Nagaland, who is married to Indian Armed Forces Dr. Koijam Brajamani from Wankai Koijam Laikai, has back the Mistress United Nations 2019 titled. Jessica represented India at the contest held at Jalandhar in Punjab from November 1st to 9th. 31-year-old Jessica Snok Koijam from the Kuchuri tribe of Dimapur, Nagaland, has earlier bagged the first runners-up titled in Mistress India Earth 2019 and has also bagged two coveted titles of Mistress Popular and Mistress Face of Northeast. Manipur joined the rest of the nation in observing National Education Day today. The event is held in commemoration of Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, who served as the first Education Minister of Independent India on his birth anniversary. Finance Officer Sandhya Rani Ningthaujam, head of ACC Department, Manipur University, Dr. R.K. Suresh Singh and Dr. Maibam Chorjit graced the event held at Manipur University. First state-level painting competition 2019 on the theme Education System, Environment and Nation Building was also held on the occasion. Vikrama Larembam, Martin Tongbram and Vanished Kaisham bagged first position in each of the first, second and third category of the competition. Plastic bottles littered by tourists are polluting the Loktak Lake. One, Ningthaujam Tikend from the Karang Khuman Pokpa has collected around 10,000 plastic bottles till date. An NGO called Go Cleaned has been extending necessary help to Tikane in his initiatives to save the lake. Go Cleaned has appealed to the government to look into the matter and help Tikane. The NGO also appealed to people to avoid littering of plastic bottles to save the beauty of the Loktak Lake. Now the sports news. Thangmaiband Kangkut has defeated their opponent in 60 and above Super League Kang tournament of the 5th Sri Sri Gopal Deva Kang tournament. In today's Super League match played at Yashkul Kangsang, Thangmaiband Kangkut defeated Singjamai Kangkut 17-16. Altogether, 7 Kangkuts from various parts of the state are participating in the Super Kang League organized by Yashkul Kangkuk. Lao Kongampat Kangkut will meet Bamdiar Kangkut in tomorrow's league match. Well, that's all we have in this bulletin, but before we wind up, let's take a glimpse at the headlines once again. CPI National General Secretary D. Raja assures CPI will lead fights against disintegration of Manipur. MDA urges state government to demand center a written assurance stating that Manipur's territorial integrity will be intact. Sagolban MLA RK Imo urges state leaders to stop playing blame games and to strive to protect Manipur.